Hello friends! I am excited for today's video. I have had some of you ask me how to do an eyeshadow look with minimal effort. You are a girl on the go, you are on the run, you're active, you don't have a lot of time to spend pampering and doing your makeup. So I am excited to bring you a tutorial today using Younique's liquid eyeshadows, Moodstruck Liquid Shadow. They have 8 total colors. I own 6 of them. That is how much I love them. And I'm going to be ordering the other 2 colors this month because they are on sale and in our February Kudos bundle. So literally all you're going to need is the eyeshadow color of your choice, a mirror, and I recommend having a brush, but if you do not have a brush, you can use your finger. But I find that I enjoy using the brush, but it is up to you totally. So what you're gonna do is pick your color. I'm gonna show you this applicator a little bit. It's a doe foot applicator, which is shaped like a little deer foot, and it has a tiny little reservoir in the middle, so it's going to get the perfect amount of product on the brush. So it takes the guesswork out of it. And literally, if you're doing just one color, you're going to swipe it on, and that's it. Now, I am going to go ahead and go do the other eye. If it has like a harsh look to it, or you think, wow, that does not look great, Tina, I'm a little worried. It's got a harsh edge. I'm going to show you how to finish this look off. So literally, we swiped it on. That is it. Now we're going to take our brush, and before it is fully dry, I let it dry just a little bit. So I'm going to go back to the eye that I started on. I am going to just barely brush those edges, and it's going to blend out those harsh lines. And I mean, look at this color. It looks like you put multiple layers of eyeshadow on and you did not. So we're gonna go over here. And the reason I say to blend it before it's completely dry is because this product, like any good product that we want, it's not gonna go anywhere. Once it's dry, it dries into a powdery finish and literally is gonna stay all day. It's not gonna crease on you. It's not going to budge. That's it. Now, finish off with some mascara and you're done for the day. If you wanna get creative, it can be fun to put on this layer and then take a second color, maybe a lighter color, and put it right over the middle of your lid, and then repeat the same process with the brush to blend. But we're keeping it basic today. We're keeping it super simple. So literally one swipe, blend it out, and you are done. Perfect, ready for the day. So like I said, it is on sale this month. If you have questions, please reach out to me. I have my link in the comments or in the description below. I am still getting used to YouTube talk. Links will be in the description. If you are not already subscribing to my channel, I welcome you to subscribe, and I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.